Welcome to the beginner-friendly travel destinations, my fellow travel adventurers. If you're here, you must be ready to open your heart to the world, to new experiences, and to the most incredible adventures waiting for you. That's what I love about travel, you see. It stretches you, challenges you, and ultimately changes you in the most beautiful ways. Today, we're taking a journey to discover some of the most beginner-friendly adventure travel destinations on this beautiful planet. So buckle up, get ready to be inspired, and let's get this adventure started. Let's unlock the magic of beginner-friendly destinations together, one destination at a time. But before we explore our destinations, my fellow explorers, imagine being the first to see our new videos, having exclusive access to behind-the-scenes content, and most importantly, being part of a community that shares your passion for exploration. As a channel member, you'll get early access to our videos, exclusive behind-the-scenes content, and the unique chance to connect with fellow explorers who share your enthusiasm. Your voice matters. Click the join button below to become a channel member and be part of our tight-knit community. Also, please remember to click the subscribe button in the lower right corner of this video to help support our channel. Your support is greatly appreciated. Let's start with our first destination, a place that holds a special place in my heart, Costa Rica. This Central American paradise is a treasure trove of natural wonders and vibrant culture. From its lush rainforests to its pristine beaches, Costa Rica offers a diverse range of experiences that cater to every type of traveler. This gem is truly a dream for beginner adventurers. Whether you're new to exploring or a seasoned traveler, Costa Rica's welcoming spirit and accessible adventures make it an ideal destination. The country's commitment to sustainability and ecotourism ensures that your visit will be both enriching and responsible. Imagine yourself waking up to the sounds of the rainforest, the air thick with the scent of 1,000 blooming flowers. The symphony of birds and the gentle rustling of leaves create a serene backdrop that feels like a world away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Each morning in the rainforest is a reminder of the beauty and tranquility that nature offers. That's the magic of Costa Rica. It's a place where nature's beauty is on full display. From the towering trees of the rainforest to the breathtaking vistas of the mountains and valleys, every corner of this country is a testament to the wonders of the natural world. Now you might be thinking, rainforests sound a little intense for a beginner, but fear not. Costa Rica's rainforests are incredibly accessible, with well-maintained trails and knowledgeable guides to help you navigate the lush terrain. Whether you're hiking through the dense foliage or taking a leisurely stroll, there's a path for everyone. But trust me, Costa Rica welcomes you with open arms. The locals, known as Ticos, are some of the friendliest people you'll ever meet. Their warm hospitality and genuine kindness make you feel right at home from the moment you arrive. It's this sense of community and connection that makes Costa Rica such a special place. Whether you're ziplining through the canopy, feeling that rush of adrenaline as you soar through the trees, or taking a gentle guided tour to spot monkeys, sloths, and toucans in their natural habitat, there's something for everyone. The thrill of ziplining is unmatched, offering a bird's-eye view of the lush landscape below. Or taking a gentle guided tour to spot monkeys, sloths, and toucans in their natural habitat, there's something for everyone. These tours are led by experienced guides who share their knowledge and passion for the local wildlife, making each encounter even more memorable. You'll learn about the unique behaviors and habitats of these incredible creatures, deepening your appreciation for the natural world. And let's not forget those picture-perfect beaches, where the golden sands meet the crystal-clear waters of the Pacific and Caribbean coasts. Whether you're looking to relax and unwind or engage in water sports like surfing and snorkeling, Costa Rica's beaches offer the perfect setting for both adventure and relaxation. The kind of places where you can sip coconut water under the warm sun and just let your worries drift away. Picture yourself lounging on a hammock, the gentle breeze swaying you as you take in the stunning ocean views. It's moments like these that make Costa Rica a true paradise, a place where you can reconnect with nature and find peace in the simple pleasures of life. Next up, we're heading to a land of breathtaking landscapes, where every corner you turn reveals a new wonder. And thrilling adventures, New Zealand. This country is a paradise for thrill seekers and nature lovers alike. This country is an absolute dream for anyone who loves the great outdoors, offering a myriad of activities that cater to all levels of adventurers. And don't worry, You don't have to be an expert hiker to enjoy it. There are plenty of trails that are perfect for beginners, allowing everyone to soak in the beauty of the surroundings. Imagine yourself surrounded by towering mountains, their majestic peaks standing tall against the sky, their peaks reflected in crystal-clear lakes that mirror the beauty of the landscape. Picture yourself walking through ancient forests, where every step you take is a journey through time, the air filled with the scent of pine needles, a fragrance that invigorates your senses and connects you with nature. That's the beauty of New Zealand. It's a place where nature's splendor is on full display, offering scenes that are nothing short of magical. And the best part? The locals are some of the friendliest people you'll ever meet, always ready to welcome you with open arms, always ready to share a story and a smile. Their warmth and hospitality make your experience even more memorable. Whether you're hiking the Milford Track, one of the most famous trails in the world, where every turn offers a new breathtaking view, or trying your hand at kayaking through those stunning fjords, navigating through waters that are as clear as glass, New Zealand will leave you breathless. The sheer diversity of its landscapes, from rugged mountains to serene lakes, ensures that every moment spent here is filled with awe and wonder. And let's not forget the incredible wildlife. New Zealand is home to unique species that you won't find anywhere else in the world. From the iconic kiwi bird to the playful dolphins that frolic in the coastal waters, the wildlife here adds another layer of enchantment to your adventure. Immerse yourself in the rich Maori culture, where traditions and stories are passed down through generations, offering a deep connection to the land and its history. The intricate carvings and art tell tales of a time long past, yet still very much alive in the hearts of the people. And of course, no visit to New Zealand would be complete without indulging in the local cuisine. Fresh seafood, succulent lamb, and world-renowned wines are just a few of the culinary delights that await you. Take a tour of the vineyards, where you can sample some of the finest wines and enjoy the stunning views of the rolling hills and valleys. Whether you're relaxing on a pristine beach, exploring the vibrant marine life, or simply taking in the coastal views, New Zealand offers a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. As the day comes to an end, watch the sun set over the horizon, painting the sky with hues of orange, pink, and purple. It's a sight that will stay with you long after you've left this incredible land. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable journey. New Zealand is waiting to welcome you with open arms and endless adventures. The land of fire and ice, embracing the magic of Iceland. Our third destination takes us to a land of glaciers and geysers, a place where you can truly feel the power of nature, Iceland. This island nation, located in the North Atlantic, is a realm of stark contrasts and otherworldly beauty. From the moment you set foot on its volcanic soil, you are greeted by a landscape that seems to be pulled straight from a fantasy novel. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Iceland? In the middle of the Atlantic Ocean? Yes, it might seem remote, but that's part of its charm. This isolation has allowed Iceland to preserve its natural wonders in pristine condition, making it a haven for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. But trust me, this country is easier to navigate than you might think. With a population of just over 350,000 people, Iceland is one of the most sparsely populated countries in Europe. This means less traffic and more open roads, perfect for a road trip adventure. The Ring Road, which circles the entire island, offers a straightforward route to explore the diverse landscapes. Imagine yourself standing before a thundering waterfall, the spray on your face, feeling the raw energy of the earth. Iceland is home to some of the most powerful waterfalls in the world, like Gullfoss and Dettifoss. These natural wonders are not just sights to see, but experiences to feel, as the ground trembles beneath your feet and the air is filled with the roar of cascading water. Picture yourself soaking in a natural hot spring, surrounded by snow-capped mountains, the northern lights dancing above you. The geothermal activity in Iceland creates these incredible hot springs, like the famous Blue Lagoon, where you can relax in warm, mineral-rich waters. And if you visit during the winter months, you might be lucky enough to witness the Aurora Borealis, a mesmerizing display of lights that paint the night sky in vibrant colors. That's the magic of Iceland. It's a place where the elements come together in perfect harmony, creating a landscape that is both rugged and serene. Whether you're hiking through lava fields, exploring ice caves, or simply taking in the breathtaking views, Iceland offers a unique and unforgettable experience. And with its well-maintained roads and easy-to-follow itineraries, It's the perfect place for beginner adventurers to step outside their comfort zones. The Icelandic people are known for their hospitality and friendliness, making it easy for travelers to feel welcome and at ease. So pack your bags, grab your camera, and get ready to embrace the magic of Iceland. This land of fire and ice is waiting to be explored, and it promises to leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. The Land of Smiles, discovering the wonders of Thailand. For our fourth adventure, we're traveling to a land of vibrant culture, delicious food, and stunning beaches, Thailand. This country has something for everyone, and its warm hospitality makes it ideal for first-time travelers. Imagine yourself stepping into a Buddhist temple, the air thick with the scent of incense, feeling a sense of peace wash over you. Picture yourself snorkeling in crystal-clear waters, surrounded by colorful fish and coral reefs, the sun warming your skin. That's the beauty of Thailand. And with its delicious street food, bustling markets, and friendly locals, it's a feast for the senses. The Great White North, immersing ourselves in Canada. Our final destination takes us to a land of rugged mountains, pristine lakes, and abundant wildlife, Canada. This country is a dream for nature lovers and a perfect starting point for those new to adventure travel. Imagine yourself standing at the foot of a towering mountain, its peak lost in the clouds, feeling a sense of awe and wonder. Picture yourself paddling across a still lake, surrounded by forests, the only sound the call of a loon in the distance. That's the allure of Canada, and with its well-maintained national parks, clearly marked hiking trails, and plenty of opportunities to spot bears, moose, and elk in their natural habitat, it's an adventure waiting to be had. Well, my friends, we've reached the end of our journey today, but I hope this is just the beginning of many incredible adventures for you. Remember, the world is vast and full of wonder, just waiting to be explored. I can't wait to hear about the fantastic places you'll visit. If you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button to join the community and never miss another update on travel videos. We're constantly dropping new content, so click that bell icon for notifications. Your experiences are not just valuable, they're what make our community unique. Your unique travel experiences, both positive and negative, are a treasure trove of knowledge for other travelers. You are not just a member of our community, you are the ones who shape it with your stories. We want to express our heartfelt gratitude for your contributions. Please share them in the comment below. Your experiences are the heart of our community. Until next time, keep dreaming, exploring, and keeping the spirit of adventure alive. Thank you, and see you in the next video.